Here are the 5 powerful ways to use AI in promoting your business. Point 1. Create marketing content faster. Use AI to generate .social media captions, .ad copy, .email campaigns, .blog posts, .product descriptions. This helps you post consistently and saves time. Point 2. Design images, flyers and videos. AI tools can help you create .promo flyers, .YouTube thumbnails, .TikTok videos, Instagram reels, .product mockups, perfect for businesses that want attractive visuals without hiring a designer. Point 3. Run smarter ads. AI can improve your ads by helping with .audience targeting, .best posting time, .headline testing, .budget optimization, .performance prediction. This can reduce wasted ad spend. Point 4. Chatbots for customer engagement. AI chatbots can answer customer questions, reply instantly on WhatsApp or website, collect leads, recommend products, handle FAQs 24/7. This improves customer experience and increases conversions. Point 5. Personalized offers and follow-up. AI helps you analyze customer behavior and send special discounts, abandoned cart reminders, birthday offers, upsell messages, product recommendations. Personalized marketing usually converts better than generic promotions. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment and follow for more inspiring, educative and informative content.